fondant roller to roll out pizza.
The last time you made me a cake.
I made Desmond's cake. Your birthday's not till November.
Or a pie.
We've seen how my pies go.
I love pie. Who doesn't like pie?
I don't know, maybe we should ask all of our patrons and watchers out there. Comment and let us know what your favorite pie is.
Strawberry rhubarb.
Strawberry rhubarb is your favorite. I like apple.
Made by the
I like
By the Amish.
Yeah.
Or the food rights.
Food rights.
Ooh, yeah.
I like apple with whipped cream on it.
Apple with whipped cream. Desmond doesn't like pie.
That's a bummer.
That is a bummer.
We've got a couple of glurps. That's science talk.
Clark. Take the cheese. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Try to get it on the pizza, not on the floor.
And some on the pizza, not in your mouth.
One for the pizza, one for River's mouth. One for the pizza, one for River's mouth.
Really now? That just threw cheese in my hair.
Since I'm in the kitchen, that means you're gonna feed me, right?
No.
No. The answer is
No.
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 What's the answer?
No.
No. We're not gonna feed them.
No.
Ew, those look yummy. Now touch your eye.
Nah, I gotta wash my hands before I touch my eye or rub my junk because everybody's done that.
I don't know if you're allowed to say that.
It's happened. Sorry. What'd your brother mind?
Oh, more. It's a
You
homework.
gotta put them both in?
Give me a second. I've only got one hand.
You only have one hand?
One handful of pizza.
You only have one hand.
I still glad.
Now clean this up.
You clean it up.
I
You made the mess.
did the dishes today. There's evidence to prove something.
There is evidence that Dad unloaded the dishwasher.
I loved it too.
A very rare occasion. Ooh, look at those. They look yummy. Good thinking.
Weirdest cut ever.
Yeah, that was awful.
Oh.
Ooh, look at that cheese. Ooh, nice.
Can I have some help here?
You can do it. I'm not gonna pull your cheese off for you. Use your hands. Yummy?
Now it's in your hair.
Yeah, now it's in your hair. Lovely.
Best Parmesan in the world comes from a plastic can.
No, I'm pretty sure that it has sticks in it.
Mm-hmm.
That's what my sister said. It has sticks in it. Do you like it? Best pizza ever, huh?
Second.
Second best? Who's first best?
Domino's.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. We'll see you next time.